Okay, so I have made, so I kind of showed you what I wanted it to do so we can get paid. But here's kind of what, if we can get it to do this, I want it to do this. Like I said, as long as I can get, if we can get this website to where, people can go through and then they can check out, go ahead and even try the process, and they can check out, go to a download area, download their stuff. That'll be protected, that they can log in and do that. Even if they can do it the long way that I explained in the first video, and it can sign them up for a $69 subscription plan, then if we can get that done, that might be the easiest fix. Then I can get paid, and I'll even pay you some money. We can get paid the quickest, and then we can make it change to, we can change it to something better. But here, I figured I might as well tell you everything what I would like to see happen when you can do this. If we could do this later, or if we could do it now, let's just do it now, as long as it can be done in a couple of days. So I'd like to see him hit add to cart, boom. Instead of going to this page, be going directly through a, either they can go to this page and go directly to PayPal, or they can go directly to PayPal. I'd say you just get them right over to PayPal instead of going here. So either from this page to PayPal, or from this page to PayPal. It's probably better. After they've checked out and made their payment, I would like them to go to, I would like them then to go to a, then I would like them to go to like a registration page. Once they register, they go directly to a download area where they can access their product plus the guest writer series. Maybe there's a nice looking download button and a picture of the product they're downloading. I showed you in the other video what products they get, so you already know which goes with which. And then that will give them access to that for a year. And so that's how I would like that checkout process to work. Now, also when they sign up, after they make their payment or whatever, after they register, it only makes sense that they would get a welcome email with a link to the download page that also has their username and password. And so I don't know if you can have the ability to send out an individual email depending on what they got. Oh, they don't need passwords anymore. But if you can, I've included these emails that I'd like sent out. But if it's just an automatic email, at least send them to the download page, but only let them access the specific product that they paid for. Does that make sense? And then I had a couple questions. So later on down the road, can we set it up so if they pay $69 for the first initial year, can we get it so they'll get $19 from every year on after that? Can we change it to that? And then another question I have is, can we get, let's say they went to the, they went and bought this, they check out, they make their payment, Is there a way after they make their payment to send them to another upsell after that? I'm just wondering if we can do that. And then let's see what else here. You know, that's fine if we can't do those things for now. These are just questions I have. And then I want to get all those menu items on one line. I want this menu to match this menu. That's silly looking. There's that empty space. That's not good. So that is it, I think. So that's how I want it to work. But for now, I just want to be able to check out so we can get paid. I told you about the flags. Oh yeah, one last thing is this multi-state services directory. We want to get rid of the general tax and legal I want to get rid of those right there, and that's it. So I appreciate it. This isn't going to be in the text, by the way, so just get rid of these, and I'm not going to write those in the directions, but if you'll remember, that'd be great. Thanks.